Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu kuba part of amaThekwini Games. This is not my first time kuba amaThekwini Games. I've been as ngiyilunga leThekwini amaphethelo. 2019 I was the ambassador of amaThekwini Games and also became the ambassador of amaSalga Games representing iTheku. Kubalekile ukuthi izingane zifike ngobuningi bazo ngomgqibelo nangesonto ukuze zikwazi ukuthi zidlale zisuke kuzinto eziningi ezibhedayo la ngaphandle. Sithi sibaningi eThekwini siyakwazi uorganize ama programs. Remember ama programs we are the servers of the community. Having such programs makes us ukuthi sikwazi ukuthusa izingane emgaqweni sikwazi ukuyixwayisa about anything izinto ezila ngaphandle susema drugsini because mhlawumbe kuba zike groundini perhaps mhlawumbe ngabe zibamba inkunzi perhaps mhlawumbe ngabe zenza izinto ezibhedayo emphakathini. So ukwenza ama game, remember sports plays a huge role in terms of ukwakha isizwe lesi sinaso sase South Africa. So if wena uyakwazi ukuthatha izingane uyiqoqamela zihlale ndawonye, leave them with a message, leave them with a sort of education so that izokwazi ukuthi zibe yini ziba ama leaders akusasa emphakathini lo esifuna ukukhulisa ube muhle. Ukuyiphatha kubalekile kuthiwa nenhlonipho futhi umphako ongabuli. So kumele uyihloniphe wena nawe umuntu ungahamba ube umdlwembe la ngaphandle because if awuyona umdlwembe uyiphatha kahle uhlonipha wonke umuntu kuthiwa yonke inhlonipho yakuvulela yonke iminyango ungacabathi ngakuvulelela yona. Ukuyiphatha nokuhlonipha kubalekile. So ngiyathokoza ukuthi ngiyaphinde ngikwazi ukuthi ngibizwe iTheku as a former player or as someone who has played the football and contributed in terms of ukuthatha iTheku ukuthatha iKZN ibeke endaweni ethile. Ngakho ngishilo ukuthi inhlonipho umphako ongaboni. So kubalekile ukuthi nabanye ama legend aseceleni ihealth ibalekile kuwena. Awube nje noma 6 pack njengoba nathi sinama 6 pack usibona nje. Awuke nje ube muhle nje uyiqoke kahle ube muhle ube clean. Sonke isikhathi because njengoba usadlala isport you are representing fitness. So even if when usu retire also represent fitness ungabe usube obese. So leyo nto ukuyiphatha kwakho uyibrand as itself. So ukuyiphatha ebrandini yakho uyihloniphe uzazi makes creates another opportunities outside than just playing. So perhaps ukukhetha kwami nami mhlambe kuyakubala lokho asazi kodwa ngiyabonga ukuthi ngikwazile ukuthi ngibe nje la ngaphansi eMoses Mabhida istadium sami lesi. Ubaba wathi kumina a healthy mind is in a healthy body. Wathi umana kumina qhubeka nesikole unganaki ibhola kakhulu because if awuphumelele ebholeni at least uzoba nawo umatikuletsheni. That on itself lawo mazwi lawo man from both parents made me realize something ukuthi ngafika ku-PSL ngina 20. But why can't I develop something ezokwazi ukuletha umntwana afike ku-PSL na 18 or 19? So everyone has a vision of themselves. It's not just about making money and moving outside, but it's sort of develop a education system through sports. Because if umunagama programs it's not just about playing, but also making ingane aware in terms of ukufunda because not even 1% of inyelela ku-PSL. What about the others? Benza njani? So into balekile ukuthi my vision is not just about ukuthi senze imali. Follow something that you love, do it with passion, money would follow. Ungafiki kumina uthi efethu ngifuna imali. Create something oyibonayo ukuthi i-necessity, it's a need in this community that you live upon and monetize upon it. How do you monetize? It's up to you. But in terms of development, I'm a huge fan of development. Ingane on itself. Thuwana inkunzi sematholeni. Ngithanda unxusa bonke umphakathi wamaThekwini namaphethelo ukuthi bafike kuzona zonke ilokhunjana izinkundla lezi ezibekiwe iTheku ukuthi kuzofika kudlale khona amaThekwini Games ama-final akhona. Nanongeke adlale afike ezobuka kuzokusiza mhlambe lokho uzohlangana nomuntu njengoBrilliant Khuzwayo abazokwazi ukunika ulwazi oluthile kwinto ethile uzohlangana noAyanda Chaba abazokunika ulwazi baningi abantu ozohlangana nabo khona ukuthusa kwizinto eziningi. So sizama ucreate a better tomorrow for these kids. So if you can come and witness such great things, such brilliant things, it would be great for you. Hi, my name is Brilliant Khuzwayo. Stay brilliant. You are in eThekwini, Durban, the warmest place to be. Ngiyabonga. Khona enye insizwa nje nesipho ngesikhulu mfowethu kuthiwa upraise waka God. Usaphothi Pirates le yamjida bafethu ningamkhohlwa ukuthi manje ula eceleni ufaka isudu umfaka ublack. Angimazi bafethu wangenjani uthe kudlalela banyana. Shap.